In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive mind map in NotebookLM. Whether you're a professional needing to organize complex ideas or a student striving to visualize concepts better, creating a mind map is a game changer. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to bring your ideas to life using NotebookLM. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, you're going to type in NotebookLM. Give it a moment, and you'll soon see the NotebookLM website in your search results. Go ahead and click on the link to enter the website. Once you're on the NotebookLM site, you'll find an option that says Try NotebookLM. Click on this, and it'll lead you to the platform where all the magic happens. This is where you can start creating your interactive mind maps. The next step is to begin a new project. Look for the Create New Notebook button and click on it. This opens up a fresh canvas for your new project. At this point, it's crucial to think about the sources you will use to enrich your mind map. You'll want to gather all the data, references, and information snippets you need. Now, find and select the option to upload sources. This allows you to add any supporting materials to your notebook, forming the foundational bedrock of your mind map. Once your sources are uploaded and ready, it's time to start shaping your map. To do this, you need to click on the Mind Map button within your notebook interface. This will provide you with the tools and features necessary to start plotting out your ideas in a structured format. Next, direct your attention to the lower right section of the screen. This is where you'll locate the mind map you've been working on. It's neatly packed with all the branches, nodes, and connectors you've created to represent your thoughts and information. Now that your mind map is complete, you'll likely want to save your work, maybe to share with collaborators or just to archive your structure for future reference. Look for the download icon situated usually at the top or around the edges of your current screen. Clicking it allows you to download your mind map to your local device, safely storing it for future use. Remember, creating a mind map is a fluid process that allows you to see connections and areas in a topic that might not have been immediately apparent. It's an invaluable tool for planning, brainstorming, and knowledge representation, made accessible and straightforward through NotebookLM. So go ahead and give it a try. Immersive learning and productivity are at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy mind mapping.